Check this out, man. Looks like another old Ford makes it into the yard. I believe it's a 69. If I'm not mistaken, a Ford Fairlane. Just a regular Fairlane. I think it was a 302 car. But a two-door, man. It'd be nice if it was like a fastback style, but still two-door nonetheless. Alright, man, let's check it out real quick. Damn, can't speak today. From the back, man, right back there, that was done here in the yard. I could tell it's recent. Somebody took the Ford, the letters on the deck lid there. But the bumper looks good, and the deck lid looks good too. Been sitting for a minute. Yeah, that was recent, you could tell. But I think I don't know if they really damaged the tail light busted there though. Still though, bezel looks to be all right. How's this one? Yeah, this one's not bad. I got a dent there too. Yeah, I think they did that here too. She's got some body damage. That's broken there. Seems solid though. I'll take a look underneath in a minute. This might have been done not here. Yeah, it looks kind of old. Got your sport mirrors though. This fender actually looks pretty decent. Yeah. I think it might be a different hood. It's missing the fender on the other side. It's the only body panel that it is missing. Missing this headlight bezel here. Trims it up. The grill looks to be okay. So does the bumper. This bezel looks to be in good shape. Said missing the driver's side. Damn, missing the driver's side fender. I get that VIN there for you if I can. I don't know how well it shows, but that's 9R30F, and then the last digits are I think what are they for the sequence number or whatnot, production number. So it does have both the sport mirrors. Trim's got some dent on it on this hood. I mean, the windshield, but the windshield's actually in good shape. 2000, what, 19 years been off the road. This door looks like there's no damage on this door. Yeah. That's from underneath. Can't tell, can't get under there, but it looks solid though. We'll look inside in a minute. Looks solid though. Feels solid. Yeah. Now you can see it's got a vinyl top. You can only imagine what's up there. But I want to say it held up pretty well for being a vinyl top car. Yeah. I don't really feel any bumps here. Now there is some pitting. Yeah, you can see some pitting here. You know, but I think I think this roof could be saved. I don't think you would have to do anything to it in terms of replacing it. Let me take a look underneath. I can't get in the trunk because the oh yeah, man, these quarter panels look solid. Heck yeah. Damn. Oh, I busted a hole in the gas tank. Typically I don't do that here. Yeah. These rocker panels, other than being dented, they look good. Let's see if I can get under here. I don't know how well. Can't really see much. Yeah, I'd say she was solid underneath, man. Yeah. Check that out, man. You don't run into these hardly ever in the salvage yards, man, anymore. In case anybody doesn't know what these are, these are they're Ford. They're actual Ford underdash, not aftermarket. Ford underdash units. And yeah, these would come like in the earlier Fords, like in the early 60s till about 64, right around there. In the Mustangs, you could get them all the way up to 66, but it would have been black and smaller, but looked fairly similar. Well, black would have been the face on it. But yeah, man. All right, that's on my throat. This door did open. Yeah, man, these doors are solid. Yeah. Bunch of junk in the back, a couple of old luggage bags here. What's that? Ceiling fan. It's porno tapes. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like ab burner, some kind of workout deal. Old Christmas lights. Come on. Let's see if there's any goodies in here. LA Confidential. I never saw that movie. Boot. Oh, there's the looks like a brand new brand new? I don't know. Built. There's that bezel. Yeah. What's this? Rider's Guide and Index to English. Huh. Okay. Fairly light. I don't think there's anything in there. And you know the deal, it's hard to open with one freaking hand. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Getting back to this real quick, man, these things are worth a pretty penny. They're not all busted up. It's missing a little guard there. A lot of times that's busted off. And that's still in good shape. Yeah. Chrome is not. Yeah, this thing, chrome is not in bad shape. A lot of times they're real badly pitted. I know quite a bit about these things. I've got quite a few of them myself. Anyways, see the date on there, November what's that, man, I think it's 64. I think that says November 64. So I wouldn't have been on this car. And this car was an AC car too, if I'm not. I think this was an AC car. It's got the vents. Let me double check that. That's neat. I tell you though, man, this dash. Look at it. It's just dirty. I don't see a crack in it. It's just dirty. I bet these things are worth a pretty penny. You know? I mean, I'm not sure, but I think so. The radio. This in the lighter. This in the ashtray. It might be around here somewhere. It's got steering wheel's got a crack in it. It's dirty. We'll go around the other way. Seat, well, it's a bench seat car. Ripped on the driver's side. Man, I hope my storage don't run on my phone. I try not to go too long in these videos, but this is pretty cool. Let's see if we can see the mileage on this thing. Oh crap. But yeah, man, this dash, man, the heck is this? Some kind of protractor? There's a knob. I think that went right there. Yep. Yeah, man. This door panel. It's warped. The other one's down here. You can see it there. Betty Crocker. Appears to be one of the. And just as I suspected, my storage ended up filling up on my phone, so I had to delete a few videos, older videos. But yeah, I was going to say that the headliner is obviously gone, but I think most of the rods are still there. The visors are not they're in decent shape. Yeah, man, it's interesting. The mirror's cracked on it. These are still worth a little bit of change. Let's look underneath the hood real quick. Try to wrap this video up. And obviously nothing. Long gone. Like I said, I think it was a 302 2-barrel carb. This hood. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Standard brakes. Actually, no, this was. Oh no, yes, this was a factory AC car. You can see there's the expansion valve. There's the. Damn, there's some in my throat. Damn. The condenser. There's a dryer. Yep. No, it's not dual exhaust. But that's it, man. Is she solid here? Yeah, not too bad. A lot of times they rust out pretty bad right there. So yeah, that underdash, that old Ford underdash. Let's look under here real quick. I can't see too much. Don't look like it was damaged though. Let's see drums. I'm gonna ask about that. I'm gonna ask about that underdash. We'll see what they say, how much they want for it. All right, man. I think that's gonna do it for this car. I thought it was a cool deal, so yeah. All right, man. I'm out.